Assalamualaikum everybody. My name is Hibba and I am from grade 3 and I'm 9 years old. So today I'm at Al-Rahmania park again with my cousins this time. And the hand which you saw, it was my cousin's Nevera's. Okay, so now come. I am gonna climb this thing all by myself. Whoa. I'm more free. My cousin doesn't have a channel, but she was making a video. Because she saw me making one. Alright. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna, come up, up, and up. I am here. Now I'm gonna go all the way down there. Show that part. Like I am gonna go all the way over there. I hope you can see me. I'm almost there. Literally. Oh my god. I literally thought that someone called my name. Over here. Okay. Oh my god, I'm at the wrong place. I was at the over there. If I didn't see, I would be on the ground right now. Alright. Wow, look at the sky. And jump. I did it! I never actually did this by myself. So look at the sky. It looks so pretty. Not right now, but it does look pretty like that. Like if you see in real life. And now you know what? I am going to take the zip line. I love the zip line. It's my favorite. Here it is. Oh my god. Someone is crying very badly. Oh my god. Wait. I'm gonna put the camera up here. And I hope you guys can like see me. Wait. Let me check. And I'm sorry if you can't. Wait, let me put the mobile like this. Alright. Now I hope you can see me. Let me check. Yeah, you will be able to see me. So, no, Nevera, you will get hurt. I will do it by myself. Alright, I am getting the dust came. Oh my god. I can't even do this time because it's big. Nevera, call my father. Go and call my father. Baba, can you put this over here? I can't. Never mind. Or maybe yes. Come on, Baba. Can you quickly do this? Can you quickly do this for me? Thank you. Because my hand got very badly hurt when I was doing it. Alright. Now I hope you can see me. I'm saying it a lot of times. Nevera, move, you will get hurt. 3, 2, 1. Oh, no. Oh, no. I have to jump to get down. Alright. So much dust. I literally hate that. Hello, Noofy. This is my cousin Noof. Yeah, and that's Nevera. Yes. Alright. Now I'm gonna go there. Actually, I'm going on the swing. It's empty. Yay. Swing. I literally I fell. It's okay. Because I'm big, I did not get that hurt. One girl is keep crying. Let me hold the camera like this. At least I'm fine. I did not get that hurt. Now I'm gonna take the swing. Because I'm big, I did not get that hurt. I'm okay, Baba. Because I was like sitting and somehow I slipped and I fell. OMG, there were rocks actually below me. I only got a bit hurt on my this finger, but it's okay. I'm taking the swing right now. Literally, it's so dark because it's right now 1 a.m. or maybe now it's 2 a.m. Alright. And now I'm gonna get off. Alright. I got off. And now I will go over there. I love that thing. Like, I love a lot of things over here. But my favorite is the zip line. Second favorite is that. And this is my third favorite. Then I don't like anything else. Because these three things are not in any park. Or maybe they are, or I don't know. So, alright. 3, 2, 1. I'm going down. Whoa. Let me sit at the very over here. Like very, what should I say, top. And now I'm gonna slide down. Woo. Alright, so I guess that's it for today. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Because I also made a video first, so you might get bored, but I don't think you will. But still, oh wait, I just got another idea. Before ending the video, I'm gonna take one last take. Oh yeah, I think I forgot to show you the secret area. I don't think I told you again the secret area, but I will. Just in case you forgot or that video got lost, something like that. That's why I'm gonna show you that place again. There it is. Okay, so bye. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.